Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here, and I know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in forever. I've recorded about 5 and none of them worked out how I wanted it to. So here's my first makeup tutorial in forever. Soft glam look, you know, you can do this with a nude lip. I did choose it to do with the gloss, the Fenty Beauty gloss. I haven't used it yet, so I did decide to use this as the lip choice. But yes, you can do this with whatever color you would like. You can do it with a matte, like a matte nude. That will look nice as well. You can pop on lashes as well if you'd like. So let's get straight into it.
Smash that. Smash that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this glam look that I've come up with. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next makeup tutorial, which I don't know. I just haven't been doing them, so yeah, I have, but they're just not working out. So but yes, I will give this a video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye.